What kind of tea is hard to swallow? Reality. Hello humans, this is Chinrag and welcome to Oak. Fidelity cuts value of X stake, implying 72% drop since Musk paid $44 billion. Fidelity's blue chip growth fund has relatively small stake in X. A monthly update from the fund listed the value of its X Holding Corporation stake at $5.6 million as of November 30, 2023. The fund's share of X was originally worth 19.7 million but lost about two-thirds of its value by April 2023 and has dropped more moderately since then. Fidelity cuts its valuation of X by 10.7% in November, according to Axios. One question is whether Fidelity sold any of its share during the November, but the latest drop in its value isn't surprising given that Musk's related controversies that drove advertisers away from the platform. The name he changed is funny too because many of our textbooks still writes "Let Company X" in its examples. FDA approves gene editing treatment for sickle cell disease. The CRISPR-based treatment edits DNA in adult stem cell without crossing bioethical boundaries. This is a microscope photo of a crescent-shaped red blood cell from a sickle cell disease patient. Back in December, the Food and Drug Administration approved a treatment for a sickle cell disease that relies on the editing of DNA in patients. As per MyLiterature, the host of it says, the technology behind this new treatment first made headlines just over a decade ago. In 2012, American and French scientists discovered that sequence of genetic code in the immune system could be manipulated and edited using a special enzyme called CRISPR. A New Year resolution for tech companies: knock it off with these Captchas. There has got to be a better way. The thing about Captchas is that they are old enough to drink. The bots are better at them than I am. So why am I still being asked to fill them out? I'm not talking about the inoffensive ones with the puzzle pieces. I'm not talking about the matching rotation shapes. I'm talking specifically about the grid of insane photos. The kind of thing you may be familiar with the Google's reCAPTCHA system. I resentfully note that Captcha exists in order to stop bots and does an okay job at it. A Harvard study found that social media companies made $11 billion in US revenue from minors. The researchers say their findings show a need of government regulations of social media since the companies that stand to make money from children who use their platform have failed to meaningfully self-regulate. They note such a regulation as well as greater transparency from tech companies would help to alleviate harms to youth mental health and crucial for potentially harmful advertisement practices that target children and adolescents. To come up with the revenue figure, the researchers estimated the number of users under 18 on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter, and YouTube in 2022 based on the population data from US. Census and survey from Common Sense Media and Pew Research, a partial control lab, to estimate each performance US ad revenue in 2022 and the time children spent per day on each platform. After that, researchers had to build a simulation model using the data or to estimate how much ad revenue the platform earned from the minors in US. Let's end the video with a positive quote. Extraordinary things are always hiding in the place people never think to look. See you in the next one.